In today's digital era, learning coding has become a must-have skill for every student and professionals. However, many people often feel confused about where to start, which programming language to choose, and how to understand the basic concept. So if you also want to start coding and develop your programming skill to boost your career, then this video is perfect guide for you. Today we will walk you a step by step through how beginners can start coding and how programming concept can be easily understood. So hi, you're welcome in this video. Coding or programming is the process of giving instruction to computer so that it can perform a specific task. By learning programming, you can develop software, apps, websites, and games. For beginners, starting with coding can initially feel overwhelming. But with the right approach and step-by-step learning, you can easily grasp the fundamental. So, in this video, we will discuss how you can understand the basic concept of programming, which language is best for beginners, and how you can improve your skills through consistent practice and project building. So, step 1. Choosing a programming language. The first step in starting coding is to choose a suitable programming language. And for beginners, Java is the perfect choice. Java syntax is structured and readable, making it easier for beginner and understand programming concepts, while also providing a solid foundation in object-oriented programming. Java is widely used in web development and wide app development, enterprises software and backend system, which means its demand will remain strong in future. So mastering Java can open doors to both internship and job opportunities. For beginners, starting with Java is highly beneficial because basic concepts like variable, loop, conditionals, and functions are easy to understand. And with regular practice, you can gradually move on the development or more complex programs and projects. Now came on the step 2, and that is setting up the coding environment. Before you start programming in Java, you need to set up your coding environment. First, you need to install the Java development, and that is JDK, which is necessary to compile and run the Java program. After that, you should choose an IDE like VS Code, where you can easily write code and run your Java program. IDEs are very helpful for beginners because they offer syntax highlighting, auto-completions, and debugging tools, which make your coding smooth and reduce the errors. Once your environment is set up, you can run your first Hello World program to verify that everything is working correctly or not. After this, you can gradually start focusing on more complex programs and exercise to strengthen your coding skills. Now, step 3. Learning basic concepts. To progress in programming, it is essential to first understand the basic concepts, which include variable, data type, operators, conditionals, loops, functions, method, and basic input-output operations. By understanding these concepts, you can start writing small programs such as calculators, number patterns, etc. Additionally, it's important to grasp the basic object-oriented programming such as classes, object, inheritance, and encapsulations. Repeatedly practicing these basic concepts through small exercises build your confidence. Step 4. Practice and build projects. The most important part of the learning coding is the practice and building projects. Simply reading theory or learning syntax will not make you confident in programming. That's why daily coding practice and small projects are essential. For beginners, starting with simple projects like calculator, to-do app, number guessing game, or student management system. Through these projects, you will learn to use loops, conditionals, functions, and classes in practical scenarios. As your confidence grows up, you can move on the more complex projects such as library management, banking system, or mini web applications. Working on projects help you to understand the real-world applications of coding, improve debugging and problem-solving skill, and allow you to build a portfolio, which is extremely helpful for future internship and job opportunities. Step 5. Learning resources and continuous improvement. Using the right learning resources and continuously improving is crucial in coding. For beginners, online platforms like Gigs for Gigs, HackerRank, LeetCode, Code Academy, and Coursera are very useful for practicing Java concepts and solving programming challenges. YouTube tutorials and coding blogs are also helpful in understanding the concept in visual and practical way. Alongside, you should develop problem-solving skill and continuously practice small exercises and challenges. Regular coding practice strengthens your logic, makes debugging easier, and gradually prepare you to explore advanced topics and frameworks. Now, some important tips for the beginners. Number 1. Practice and consistency. Learning coding takes time, so daily practice and consistent learning are very important. You cannot learn everything in a single day. Number 2. Start small. Begin with small programs and exercises, then gradually explore more complex projects and concepts. Number 3. Error and debugging. Making error is normal in coding. Debugging and problem solving improve your skills. Number 4. Documentation and notes. Maintain proper documentation and notes for concept and programs, which will make revision and easy and helpful for future. Number 5. Build your portfolio. Upload your project and exercises on GitHub to showcase your skill for internship and job opportunities. You can also upload your project on LinkedIn. So now we are going to talk about the conclusion. Learning coding has become a valuable skill in today's digital era. Starting with a beginner-friendly language like Java allow you to understand the basic programming concept easily and gradually prepare for developing more complex projects. With continuous project building and problem-solving skill, you can improve your coding proficiency and build a strong foundation for career opportunity in software development, web development, and Android development. So remember, coding is a journey with the patience, consistency, and curiosity. You can become a confident programmer and achieve your career goal. So thank you. See you in the next video.